Welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today we are talking about the brand new Google Pixel Watch 4, and trust me, this is shaping up to be Google's smartest and most powerful wearable yet. From an all-new design to AI-powered health features and multi-day battery life, there is a lot to be excited about. Let's start with the design. The Pixel Watch 4 is rumored to have a slimmer, lighter frame with more durable materials, including a new scratch-resistant sapphire crystal display. The bezel is smaller than ever, giving you that gorgeous edge-to-edge AMOLED screen with vibrant colors and smooth animations at up to 60Hz refresh rate. Here's where Google really steps it up. The Pixel Watch 4 is expected to introduce next-gen AI health tracking. Think real-time heart health alerts, advanced sleep insights, and workout coaching powered by Google AI. And yes, Fitbit integration is getting ever deeper, making it one of the most accurate fitness trackers you can wear. Battery life has been the Pixel Watch's weak spot, but Google might finally fix that. The Pixel Watch 4 is set to deliver up to 2 to 3 days of battery on a single charge, thanks to a more efficient chip and software optimization. And with the fast charging, you will get hours of use in just a few minutes of plug-in time. You will still get all the Google goodness. Wear OS 5 Google Assistance on your wrist, Google Maps navigation without your phone, offline YouTube music, contactless payments, and new customizable watch faces. Plus, remote LTE and Wi-Fi only versions mean you can choose what fits your lifestyles. So with AI-driven health, a refined design, better battery life, and Google's powerful ecosystem, the Pixel Watch 4 could be the smartest watch to beat in 2025. But here's a question: is it enough to pull you away from the Apple Watch or Samsung Galaxy Watch? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell you can don't miss my full review when the Pixel Watch 4 officially launches.